Hello everyone, James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast. If you want to watch this video faster or slower, you can adjust the playback speed.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is very important and very popular. How long does it really take to speak English fluently?
Yes, this question is everywhere. Students ask teachers, people search on Google, and even friends ask each other.
And the problem is, many people expect a simple answer like 3 months or 6 months.
Exactly. But language learning is not like cooking instant noodles.
Yes, you cannot just add hot water and wait 3 minutes.
If only it was that easy, right?
That would be amazing. Everyone would speak English fluently by next week.
So today, we will give you a real answer, not a magical answer, but a realistic one.
And don't worry, we will explain everything in a simple way.
Let's start with the most important truth. There is no one exact time.
Yes, because every learner is different.
For example, imagine two people learning English.
Okay?
Person A studies 10 minutes a day.
And person B studies 2 hours every day.
Who will improve faster?
Obviously, person B.
Exactly. So time depends on how much effort you put in.
But effort is not the only thing. The way you study is also very important.
Yes, you can study for many hours, but if your method is not good, progress will be slow.
For example, just reading grammar books all day without speaking.
That's a classic mistake.
You may understand rules, but you cannot use them in real conversations.
So let's break this topic into simple parts.
Good idea.
First, we talk about levels, then practice, then time.
Perfect. Let's begin with levels.
First, if you are a beginner, you start from 0 or almost 0.
That means you don't know many words and sentences are difficult.
Yes, at this stage, learning is slower because everything is new.
You learn basic words like hello, thank you, food, and water.
And simple sentences like I am happy or I like coffee.
Now, how long does it take for a beginner to speak English fluently?
If you practice regularly, maybe around 1 to 2 years.
That sounds long, but remember, this is for real fluency.
Yes, and during that time, you will already be able to communicate.
Exactly. You don't need to wait 2 years to speak.
You can start speaking in the first month.
Even with very simple English.
Now let's talk about intermediate learners.
These learners already know basic grammar and vocabulary.
They can understand simple conversations and express basic ideas.
But they may feel stuck.
Yes, this is called the plateau.
It means progress feels slow.
Many learners stop here because they feel frustrated. They think, I am not improving.
But actually, they are improving, just more slowly.
So how long for intermediate learners to become fluent?
Usually 6 months to 1 year with regular practice.
And the key here is speaking and listening.
Yes, not only studying.
Now let's talk about what fluent really means.
This is very important.
Many people think fluency means speaking like a native speaker.
But that is not true.
Fluency means you can communicate easily and smoothly.
You don't stop too much, and you can express your ideas.
You may make mistakes, but communication is clear. Let's give an example.
Okay.
Imagine you say, yesterday I go to store and buy food.
The grammar is not perfect.
But people understand you.
Yes, the correct sentence is, I went to the store and bought food.
But your message is clear.
That is fluency.
Now let's talk about practice time.
This is a big factor.
If you study 1 hour per day, you will improve steadily.
If you study 3 hours per day, you will improve faster.
But there is something important.
What is it?
Quality is more important than quantity.
That's true.
1 hour of focused practice is better than 3 hours of distraction.
For example, watching English videos but not paying attention.
Or scrolling your phone while studying.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Now let's talk about speaking.
the most important skill.
Many learners are afraid to speak.
They feel shy or nervous.
They worry about mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Let me ask you something.
Okay?
When a child learns to speak, do they make mistakes?
Of course, many mistakes.
Do we stop them?
No, we encourage them.
So why do adults fear mistakes?
Good question.
Maybe because we think too much.
Yes, we want to be perfect.
But perfection slows you down.
Action helps you grow,
So speak as much as possible.
even if your English is not perfect.
Now let's talk about listening.
Listening is like fuel for speaking.
You need input to create output.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you.
So, what should learners listen to?
Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, and conversations.
Start with simple content
Then slowly increase the difficulty.
and repeat listening.
Yes, repetition helps a lot.
Now let's talk about daily habits.
Small habits create big results.
For example, learning 5 new words every day.
After 1 year, that is more than 1,800 words.
That's amazing.
Or speaking 10 minutes every day.
That builds confidence.
Now let's talk about motivation.
Very important.
If you enjoy learning, you will continue.
If you feel bored, you may stop.
So choose topics you like.
Movies, sports, music, travel.
Learning should be fun.
Not a punishment.
Let's talk about a common question.
Okay.
Can I become fluent in 3 months?
For most people, no.
But you can improve a lot in 3 months.
Yes, especially if you practice daily.
You can go from beginner to basic communication.
You can go from intermediate to more confident speaking.
But full fluency takes more time.
And that's okay.
Good things take time.
Exactly.
Now let's imagine a learner.
Okay.
Maria studies English 1 hour every day.
She watches videos, practices speaking, and learns vocabulary.
After 3 months, she can have simple conversations.
After 6 months, she feels more confident.
After 1 year, she is fluent in daily situations.
That's a realistic journey.
Now imagine another learner.
Okay.
John studies once a week for 30 minutes.
That's not much.
After 1 year, his progress is slow.
Maybe he is still at beginner level.
So again, it depends on practice.
Let's talk about immersion.
Yes, very powerful.
Immersion means surrounding yourself with English,
For example, changing your phone language to English,
watching movies in English,
thinking in English.
speaking with people in English.
If you live in an English-speaking country, immersion is easier.
But you can create immersion anywhere.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Confidence grows with practice.
The more you speak, the less afraid you feel.
At first, you feel nervous,
Then slowly you feel comfortable.
and one day you speak naturally.
That's a great feeling.
Yes, very satisfying.
Now let's answer the big question again.
How long does it take?
With regular practice, about 6 months to 2 years for fluency.
But remember, everyone is different.
Your journey is unique.
Don't compare yourself too much with others.
Focus on your progress,
Celebrate small wins,
like understanding a video
or having a conversation.
or learning new words.
These are important steps.
Now let's give some final tips.
Practice every day.
Practice speaking as much as possible.
Don't fear mistakes.
Listen to real English.
Be patient.
And enjoy the journey.
Learning English is not a race.
It's a process.
Step by step, you improve.
Day by day, you get better.
And one day, you will say, "Wow, I can speak English."
That will be a great moment.
Yes, and we hope you reach that moment soon. All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye, and see you next time. Bye-bye.